Bro, you won't believe what I found. BLACKBOX AI.
BLACKBOX AI? Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie or a scam.
Not yet, but it can automate coding tasks, analyze data, and even write scripts. Dude, it saved me hours of work. I can't even begin to tell you how much time I used to spend on this. Instead of coding everything by hand, I just fed it some inputs and it did the rest. It's like having a personal assistant for coding, and it built the structure for me. Plus, it's super accurate. I was skeptical at first, but the results were spot on.
That's impressive. I've been looking for something to streamline my workflow. Maybe I should give it a try. It sounds like it could really make a difference in my projects. Thanks for the tip. Maybe I'll give it a shot. Can it help me impress my crush?
Laughing. AI is good, but not that good, man. It's funny how people think it can do everything for them. For that, you'll still have to use your own brain. There's no substitute for human creativity and intuition.
Shrugs. Figures. I guess some things are just too complex for even the smartest AI. Guess I'll stick with writing terrible poetry. At least that's something uniquely mine, right?
Or you can ask BLACKBOX AI to do it for you. It might surprise you with some interesting results.
I don't know, man. It feels weird to let the machine take over something so personal. I don't want to get outdone by a robot. They both laugh. But who knows? Maybe one day AI will write better poetry than me.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us out. By subscribing, you'll never miss an update from us, and liking the video shows your support. Your engagement encourages us to create more content that you love. So go ahead, click those buttons, and stay connected with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching. And hey, if you're interested, go ahead and watch our next video. You won't want to miss it.